So here's me walking into Walmart to get more wigs from Mayvenn because they've always shipped them to me when I've ordered online, but I've never actually went to their physical locations, and they have two, one in Houston and one in Dallas. Once you walk into Walmart, it's pretty easy to find Mayvenn. The girls that work there are super sweet and super helpful. As you guys know, my hair is real, but I wanted to try out some blonde clip-in extensions just to change up my look a little bit. I was honestly so comfortable getting my hair done inside the Mayvenn store that I forgot I was inside Walmart. So besides the blonde clip-in extensions, I also wanted to purchase some wigs. So we started trying on a few to see which one fit best. And in my opinion, this one fit best. It was my favorite. As you can see, I was super happy with it. And like I said, the girls that worked there were a vibe. I'm so glad I went to this store because it made me realize that short hair actually looks good on me. It was my first time ever trying on a short wig and I loved it. The coolest part about this store is that you can customize the wigs, the bundles, and the hair extensions. So I ended up buying every single wig I tried on, including the hair extensions, and I got a pretty good deal because right now the whole store has 75% discount. The sale they have going on ends on the 31st of this month, so don't miss out.